Alright, July 3rd, working on the R36. We just finished the custom exhaust. This is going to be interesting. Chad's in the cockpit. We're almost ready to fire this shit up.
Ready?
Yeah, let me turn the fan on or off. All right, fire it up. Wow. Oh my God, that is loud. That is ridiculous. Alright, that's enough of that. My ears are fucking hurting right now. Alright, rev it up now. Try it now. Alright, easy there, killer. Jesus Christ. Holy shit, that's loud. Wow. I'm actually really impressed with this. Alright, Chad, rev it up a little bit. Alright, rev it up again. Yo, I can't take it. It's too loud. Alright, kill it.